To blur text in CapCut, start by opening the app and selecting the project you want to edit. Next, add the text you want to blur to your video by clicking on the text option in the toolbar and typing in your desired text. Once you have added the text, select it by clicking on it, and then click on the Edit option in the toolbar. In the Edit menu, click on the Style option and then select the Blur option. You can adjust the level of blur by using the slider that appears on the screen. Move the slider to the right to increase the blur and to the left to decrease it. You can also choose from different blur effects such as Gaussian blur or box blur. After adjusting the blur level, click on the check mark to apply the changes. You can then preview your video to see how the blurred text looks. If you want to make any further adjustments, you can go back to the Edit menu and make the necessary changes. It is also possible to blur specific parts of the text by using the masking tool. To do this, select the text and then click on the mask option in the Edit menu. Use the brush tool to select the part of the text you want to blur and then apply the blur effect. Best practices for blurring text in CapCut include using the blur effect sparingly and only when necessary, as it can be distracting if overused. It is also a good idea to experiment with different blur levels and effects to find the one that works best for your video. By following these steps and tips, you can easily blur text in CapCut and add a professional touch to your videos. The key is to experiment and find the right balance of blur and clarity to achieve the desired effect.